The Adani Group faces accusations of substantial bribery aimed at government officials, raising significant concerns regarding corporate ethics and accountability. This predicament brings to light the potential erosion of public trust. The issuance of a recent arrest warrant signifies a notable escalation in the legal actions targeting Adani, underscoring the gravity of the allegations. This development could have extensive repercussions for his sprawling business empire. Previous allegations surrounding Adani involve land scams and tax evasion, highlighting a persistent history of scrutiny. Such accusations feed into the ongoing public discourse on corporate governance within India. The indictment alleges that the Adani Group devised plans to bribe officials to secure contracts for the sale of electricity at inflated prices. This approach sought to ensure profits despite elevated initial energy costs. Evidence indicates that bribes were disbursed to government officials in several Indian states, totaling 20.39 billion Indian rupees. This revelation raises serious questions about the integrity of decisions made regarding power purchases at the state level. The investigation initiated by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) stemmed from suspicious contracts linked to Adani and the claims regarding his prospective growth. Their inquiry scrutinizes the legality of these transactions. Real-world applications of AI span various domains, including customer engagement, household management, and academic support, showcasing its broad versatility and impact on daily operations. The course on mastering ChatGPT equips learners with comprehensive knowledge and practical skills necessary for effectively harnessing AI across diverse fields. It also includes crucial updates to keep participants abreast of industry advancements. The ongoing inquiry into Adani underscores the potential misuse of AI tools in corporate environments, emphasizing a pressing demand for ethical standards in technological applications. In response, the Adani Group asserts that the allegations are baseless and pledges to initiate legal action to refute the claims. This situation illustrates the tension between vested corporate interests and the necessity for legal accountability. The various state governments implicated in the allegations have denied any wrongdoing, asserting that any arrangements were made with the central government's public sector undertaking, not directly with Adani. This assertion raises critical questions about the nature and accountability of these agreements. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has called for Adani's arrest, arguing that political protection from the Prime Minister hinders accountability. This political dynamic exemplifies the complex interrelationship between business and government in India. Electricity tariff rates in India reveal notable disparities among states, with Madhya Pradesh and Mumbai recording some of the highest rates. Citizens are encouraged to contribute their current rates for enhanced comparison. Foreign investors' involvement in Adani's projects prompts essential questions regarding jurisdiction and accountability. Investigations by the U.S. government are closely linked to these foreign funding avenues. The Indian Supreme Court plays a role in overseeing the investigations related to Adani, yet delays and extensions from SEBI hinder timely accountability. Findings from the committee indicate regulatory shortcomings. The Hindenburg report revealed that Adani Group promoters established offshore companies to illegally hold shares, raising profound concerns about the integrity of financial regulations in India. This manipulation alarmingly affects investor confidence. Madhabi Buck's investments in an offshore fund linked to Adani have raised pivotal questions regarding SEBI's transparency and efficacy. Her connections with key figures amplify the controversy surrounding these investments. The Supreme Court's expert committee encountered difficulties in identifying the investors behind Adani's offshore entities, hinting at a potential cover-up within regulatory investigations. This situation incites significant alarms about accountability within the financial sector. The refusal of local authorities to investigate these claims due to biases presents a troubling trend in law enforcement. Such discrimination undermines the pursuit of justice for all citizens. The intersection of U.S. domestic politics and the Adani case raises questions about the integrity of ongoing investigations. Changes in U.S. leadership could substantially affect the direction of the prosecution. International reactions to the allegations against Adani reveal increasing skepticism regarding his business practices. Countries like Kenya and Sri Lanka are proactively reconsidering contracts with Adani.